This is workout 9. This is an open hip, single leg balance stability workout. Definitely very dynamic. It's going to challenge your ability to move in and out of your open hip swinging postures into Warrior 2. We've got some drop swings in there too. There's only 4 exercises, 2 minutes of work, 3 minutes of rest. Do your best, take care of yourself, slow things down when you need to. We'll have about a 5-second countdown before we begin. Please start at the top of your mat. Find an over grip in your crossbody bottom position. First exercise, half moon static grinds. Kick your right leg back, flex the foot, keep a micro bend in your base leg, straighten the arms, return to your crossbody bottom position. Again, kick back, feel free to keep the leg straight. Return to the starting position. Go in and out of this asana with control. Returning to that crossbody bottom every time. Think about twisting your mace. Think about firing that base leg glute and also really kicking through an imaginary window or door with that right leg. Take it slow, just build the stamina to be able to hold this asana, stacking your right hip on top of your left, keeping crown to coccyx alignment, lots of activation in your core. You can also move through that 2 position if you want a little bit more load, straight arms, body down. Leg up. Eventually your eye gaze will be rotated towards the right side of your mat. That's our cue to switch sides. Bayonet switch. Over grip. Find that crossbody bottom position. And then from here, you can hip hinge, micro bend your right leg, flex your foot, punch that right arm down. Modified variation, you're keeping a slight bend in your back arm, returning to crossbody bottom. Again, straight leg, pivot. Hip hinge, you have control the entire time. You should be able to stop at any point during this drill. If you want to make it harder, punch your mace down and hip hinge. So increasing your load as you enter that half moon pose. So holding, finding your depth, returning to the starting position. Again, punch, twist your mace, bend it, crush it, toes pointed out. Think of like a roundhouse kick, except your leg is straight the whole time, entering in and moving out. 30 seconds recovery, over grip, mace in front of your body, inhale through nose. Exhale, recover. All right, next one requires quite a bit of coordination. Switch over grip. So this one you're coordinating your leg movement with your inside semicircle swing, and you're allowing your mace to travel in the same angle as your arm. So inside circle, and catch. Sometimes in a flow, you can move that into like a 360 swing, which would look like that. And then this conditioning drill, we're really finding that leverage of our single-handed catch. Rooting down into the base leg, coming in and out of it with control, pointing the toe. So it's a combination of the front line active with that pointed toe and also reaching and stretching up as high as you can go. Think about like kicking the ceiling. Control the mace. With your arm swing, grip confirmation. Catch, finish strong, one more. And catch, hand-eye coordination. Release that wrist, other side. Notice the difference between your right and left sides. Make a little mental note of how high you can kick on the opposite side. Work on that, getting higher each time. Hold your toe pointed longer. Really use the benefit of the momentum in your mace. Try to hang out a little longer up there. Yeah. Finish strong. There we go. Feel the traction. Mace moving away. Timing it perfectly so that your leg lands at the same time as your mace is swinging down. Big inside circle. Or inside semicircle. Last one. Recover. Inhale and exhale. More warrior two lunges. You're gonna get really strong, lots of glute activation with all these warrior two lunge exercises. Switch your hand grip, over grip. Inhale and exhale. So remember, we're doing a leg swing on one side and then a big step warrior two lunge on the opposite side. Starting in your half prayer, semicircle swing with a leg swing, catch in reverse guard, big step, land, return to reverse guard. Watch your mace. Cast swing. And catch. Big step. Land it. Half prayer, staying in that sagittal plane. Lift, open, and land. Find your focus, find your breath. Find your rhythm and control. Big step. See if you can get your foot a little higher. Switch sides. Come to the opposite side of your mat. Find that half prayer position. Strong wrist. Inside semicircle. Catch. Big arcing rainbow step. Inside circle. Leg swing. Reverse guard. Big press. Inside. Catch. Stabilize. So upon that landing, pre-recruiting your lats, your deep inner core, your back glute to land softly. 20 seconds left, you got it. Find your endurance, find your stamina. Lift, land softly. Last one. Set your mace down. Actually, sorry, recover with your mace. We still have one more exercise with our drop swing. 30 seconds recovery. Challenge yourself, find your mantra, find your why, your purpose behind your workout. All right, so this last one incorporates the drop swing. 4 seconds till we start. Find your guard and then your half prayer. Inside circle, catch. Big lift, warrior two, drop swing, push off, swing, leg swing, and catch. Big lift, drop swing, open hip leg swing, reverse warrior, lift, step, land. Own your mace movement, stick it, find your landmarks. Half prayer, shooting out to an open hip leg swing. Catch. Big lift, big bent elbow. Nice and high with your leg swing. Harness that power, that force. Drop swing. And switch sides. And find your half prayer position. Inside circle. Harness that power, reverse guard, big lift, external rotation, land, drop swing. Push it off. Switch legs. Try not to laterally bend your body if you can. Drop swing. Push off. Tone it up here. Lift. Land. Drop swing. Feel that centrifugal force created with your mace. Harness it. Drop swing. Leg lift, 10 more seconds. Set your Mace down, be prepared to catch your heart rate in about 15 seconds. Ready? And begin. And stop. That concludes our open hip dynamic conditioning workout, training our ability to transition from leg to leg, to find those high leg kicks in open hip asana, and this will definitely translate to improving your steel mace vinyasa flows and even your unweighted flows. It's a pleasure to keep coaching you. I'm really excited to see how your flows progress. Keep me posted. Namaste.